simple way to get a gorgeous little lemon for garnish if you're having a dinner party or something like that, or maybe date night, you know what I mean? You want to impress your date.
And you were kidding with me about you saying 1980s.
That's right.
I don't think so. It doesn't matter what decade, they're looking good. It's fun.
That's right. And look how easy it is, too. All you really need is you need a lemon, and if you got like a little utility knife or a paring knife or something like that, and you're going to go for right in the middle of that lemon, right?
Yeah.
And then turn your knife to a 45-degree angle and go all the way through, and then you just go opposite 45-degree angle and just get in that point, and you just keep going, and I'm turning the lemon over on its side, and I just keep going in with my knife, following that zigzag pattern back and forth, trying to get my blade to follow that angle all the way through until we come all the way around to the other side. And I finally hit that point where I started, and this thing comes right apart.
Look at that.
Look at that. The beautiful lemon garnish for your plate.
That sounds like a Tuesday tip.
There you go. Tuesday tips for you. Garnish, mushroom, all of the above.
Great.